Good morning, guys. It is Sizwe in front of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera, which is paired with DJI mic minis. Just for the sound quality, so this is the DJI mic mini. It comes with two transmitters as well as one receiver. Anyways, I'm just using one transmitter for now. So, what I want to say to you all for today is that for people who doesn't stay in KZN, for people from different provinces that have been assisted by UAV Gear or that have been purchasing from us, I just want to say thank you so much, guys, for understanding the workflow, for being patient for the money to reflect, and for being patient for your parcels to be shipped to your locations. You know, I know it's not easy to stay patient once you have paid someone your money and you just feel like you want your units as in now, you know. But yeah, I just want to appreciate your patience, your support, your trust, because we all, some of them or some of you all have been buying from our Facebook marketplace, which is Sizwe at UAVGEAR Drone Shop, as well as Instagram. I just want to say thank you so much, guys, as well as people who have done repairs from us, and for people who have sent their drones to us for repairs. I say thank you so much, guys. And most of them have been assisted. For those who have never been assisted, or for those that we didn't manage to assist, I just want to say sorry for the experience, but we are still keen on assisting you. Anytime you can reach out to us, guys. We are here to assist you all. And yeah, you can call us at 064 257 7362. My personal WhatsApp number, which I normally use for extra mile as a salesperson for those people who want assistance as in immediately or in immediate situations. So it's 075 194 0944. So you can call me at any time, text me at any time. Yeah. Anyways, keep well, guys. We hope to keep on assisting each other. And yeah, nothing much basically.